In the following videos of this section, as I mentioned before, I'm going to include lessons from my full WordPress for Beginners class. Now, in that class, everything's broken down into different sections, nice and easy. So everything in this class is going to be lumped together in this section, but it's in the same order as in the class. So starting with the next lesson, we're going to go back, learn a little bit more about WordPress hosting, the different options. I'm going to show you how to get started with hosting on Bluehost, and then installing new themes, changing the themes, editing your website, all kinds of good stuff, all the plugins that I recommend you having. So a lot of great stuff in this section of the course. Now, this is basically a whole course inside this one section. And so it might take a little while for those of you who want to learn WordPress. For anyone that's using another website builder, go ahead and skip the rest of the section of this course because it's not necessarily going to pertain to you. If you have any questions, if you're confused by any of this at all, don't hesitate to post a question to the Q&A section of this course. Thanks so much and good luck with building your own website.